Our scheduling team will reach out to book your in-home appointment 2 to 3 weeks ahead of time. Once our technician arrives for your in-home installation, his first task will be to feed the fiber cable into your home. Once an ideal location has been determined, he will drill a hole in which to feed the fiber cable. He will then ensure the hole is properly sealed. With the fiber cable neatly secured inside your home, he will then splice the fiber cable to complete the connection into our main fiber network. This fiber cable can now be plugged into the Optical Network Unit, or ONU. The sync lights indicate a successful connection to the main network. He will then run an Ethernet cable to your wireless router to activate your in-home Wi-Fi. If you have ordered telephone service, he will wire and activate this service for you as well. Each television receiver requires an Ethernet cable run back to the ONU. Care will be taken to leave your house in clean order. With all TV set-top boxes installed, our technician will then activate your set-top and give you an overview of the television service and of the functioning of your new remote. Your home is now active with ViaNet Fiber.